friends, it's Miss Jennifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the C-flat major scale. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to play the C-flat major scale with all the correct notes and fingering, 1 and 2 octaves with both hands, right and left, separately and together. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And as always, remember, please feel free to share my videos with your family and friends. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is just play through 1 and 2 octaves, hands together. For those of you who would like a deeper, more in-depth lesson, stick around. I'll be back with that in just 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to take us through the C-flat major scale, 1 octave, both hands. Now here's 2 octaves. Great. Okay, so now the first thing we want to talk about is the fact that the C-flat major scale and the key of C-flat major has 7 flats. They are as follows: B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. So that's right, we've got 2 white key flats, the C flat and the F flat. Okay, so we're going to go through the letter names in the right hand first, and they are as follows: C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat. The finger numbers are as follows: 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to tuck our thumb under to F flat, then 2, 3, 4, and with your 5th finger on C flat. On the way back down, we're going to be doing 4, 3, 2, thumb on F flat, cross your 3rd finger over to E flat, then 2, end with your thumb on C flat. Okay, I'll do that a little smoother once. Great, now let's check out the left hand. Now, because this scale has a lot of black keys, we never put our thumb or our pinky on a black key when we're playing a scale. We will use thumbs and pinkies on the black keys when we play chords, but never during a scale. So for this reason, to keep that thumb from landing on a black key, we're actually going to start on our 4th finger in our left hand, and we won't be using our 5th finger at all. It can take a rest for this scale. Okay, so since the letter names are the same in the left hand, I'm just going to go over the finger numbers. So again, remember, we're starting on 4, then 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to cross our 4th finger. It's kind of a big stretch, all the way over to the G flat. So 4, 3, 2, end on your thumb. On the way back down, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. A big tuck with your thumb all the way to the F flat. And when you're doing this big tuck, try not to pop out your elbow this way. Let your thumb and your fingers do all the work by tucking it under. So our thumb lands on the F flat, then 2, 3, end on 4. Here, that is a little smoother. Remember, on this big cross, let your fingers do all the work. Back down, tuck that thumb under. Great. Okay, let's take a look at that hands together. Now, the interesting thing that's going to happen is when we get to the F flat, both our thumbs are going to play that white key, which is kind of nice. Okay, so left hand again starting on 4, right hand starts on thumb. Here we go. So I'm going to say the letter names: C flat, D flat, E flat. Both thumbs on F flat, cross 4 in the left hand to the G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, back down, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, both thumbs on F flat, cross the right hand 3 to E flat, D flat, end with 4 on C flat. Here it is a little smoother. there's not much change when we do 2 octaves, but what we're going to do when we get to the top here of the first octave, instead of using our 5th finger to play C flat, in order to start that 2nd octave, we're going to take our thumb and put it on the C flat and then proceed on with the rest of the octave. Now for the left hand, when it comes up to the first octave, when we get to the C flat, then we're just going to cross our 3rd finger over to the D flat and proceed on with the exact same fingering we used in the first octave. So this is what it's going to look like when we put hands together for 2 octaves. Here we go. I'm going to say the letter names and point out some fingerings as we go. So we've got C flat, D flat, E flat, both thumbs on F flat. Then your left hand is going to cross your 4th finger over to the G flat, A flat, B flat. Both thumbs are going to play C flat. Then we're going to cross our left hand 3rd finger over to the D flat, E flat, both thumbs on F flat. Left hand crosses 4 over to G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat. Now we're going to head on back down. We got C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat. Both thumbs on F flat. Cross your 3rd finger of your right hand over to the E flat, D flat, both thumbs on C flat. Right hand 4 goes on B flat, A flat, G flat, both thumbs on F flat, then E flat, D flat, and on C flat. Again, our left hand ended on the 4th finger. All right, now it's really easy to turn that into 4 octaves or 3 octaves. It's just like doing the 2 octave twice. So feel free to go ahead and play that 2 octaves, change it into 3 octaves or 4 octaves. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate that one more time, just a little smoother, and then we'll be all finished. So here we go. Here is the C flat major scale 2 octaves with both hands. There we go. That is our C flat major scale. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Also, I would love to hear from you in the comments. So if you have any video suggestions or just suggestions for me or in general, or just want to say hi, please leave that in the comment section down below. And hey, if you want to give this video some hype points, that'd be great too. I'm a small channel trying to grow my videos bigger. I am a piano teacher and I love sharing my knowledge and my skills in piano, and I'm so happy to help you. And if you want to help me back, you can do all those things I mentioned by liking, subscribing, hype points, sharing, commenting, all those things just help out my channel a lot. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.